It is Friday, and we picked up the truck Tuesday, I think.
Yeah.
And it was dark, so we drove home and parked it. Ronnie said if I plug it in, it should start just fine, but we honestly haven't started it because it was Thanksgiving, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And Kara hasn't even taken a ride in it yet. So I thought, let's go for a little ride, see how it does. Let's see if it'll start first, though. Fingers crossed that it'll even start. I have had it plugged in, so hopefully that's helped. I've been told that these old 6.9s are cold-blooded, and if you haven't plugged in, it really helps. But, all right, fingers crossed. Grandpa used to have so much confidence in this, he'd just throw it in neutral, start rolling backwards, and start it as he rolled into the road. I don't think I have that much confidence. All right, gold plugs. Fingers crossed. Oh, baby. Nice. I mean, it was 16 degrees last night, so I didn't think it would start that easy. It didn't even start that easy at Ronnie's house, so let's go for a ride, Kara. Come on, hop in. One thing I have to say is this truck's filthy. I don't know, it's been washed in 20 years. So maybe next video we'll be washing this thing, right, Kara?
Oh, it's so bad.
It is so bad.
It's been sitting in the garage for 3 years now, and
I don't think he washed it in the last 20. Yeah, the seat belts are all tucked down, so we're going without seat belts.
ooh,
It's been so long since I drove stick.
you have to get refamiliarized
Yeah,
with it.
refamiliarize a little bit. Yeah, I think we're good to go. As long as I don't stall it right here. Here we go.
You're clear.
I'm gonna warn you, Kara, it does ride like an old truck. But this old seat is actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's almost like an old bus seat, you know?
pretty bouncy.
Yeah, pretty bouncy. So what do you think, Kara? Next big road trip, we taking the truck?
Oh my
Or this truck?
gosh. It might be a really long road trip.
Yeah.
No radio. Well,
It
that's
has tape player. We have all those
that's
classics.
not picking up anything. Tape deck. Yeah, we might have to go to DI and find some.
Yeah.
A thrift store. Find
Yeah,
some
maybe
tapes.
some tapes. It is weird how big the steering wheel is. Just the whole driving angle of everything is so different than any sort of new vehicle.
Whoops, wrong gear.
That was the wrong gear. Like I said, it's been a while. And the right blinker doesn't work.
Oh, it won't go up?
No. It'll make a left blinker, but it won't make a right.
Oh.
Something else will have to get fixed. We'll add it to the list. It does ride pretty smooth overall, though. The steering's a little bit loose. I don't know if that's just the way it is, or if I need to get it fixed. And the steering wheel is really crooked. So what we're kind of thinking right now with this truck is we're gonna get it clean, see how it does cleaned up.
Yeah.
And maybe fix the interior for right now. And leave the exterior just how it is until we decide what we're gonna do. I mean, I understand this is kind of a money pit, but sentimental value on it. For us, it's gonna be worth it. And I think it'll be really nice when it's crappy weather out to drive this instead of the truck, the new truck. So keep the salt off the new truck, and like if I'm going down to the field, take this. Or up hunting, take this instead of...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We do need to do a tow test. I need to look and see what I have to tow with this to see what would be a good tow. It's not rated to handle our fifth wheel, even though I'm sure it would handle it. But it also doesn't have a fifth wheel hitch.
What about your dad's tractor, like always?
I don't know if the hitch will support a 10,000 pound load off the back. Because it's just the bumper hitch.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking maybe just our enclosed with the side-by-side in it first. See how it does towing that. But before we do that, I need to get a little bit more confidence in this. I don't want to be broken down on the side of the road with a trailer on.
Yeah, for sure.
But with how well this is driving and running, Ronnie did a super good job. I feel bad he had so many other things to do and he'd just make time for this. So, and we did go put fuel in it, diesel. I still can't believe that it had gas in it. And I really don't think I put gas in it, based on the amount, because I took a 5-gallon can down, but I made sure to grab the yellow can, put diesel in it. I'm sure I did. So I think Grandpa in his old age just maybe had one of those senior moments. And luckily it didn't hurt the engine, because the engine still seems to pull just fine, start fine. It runs cool, really cool. So I think this can be a lot of fun. I'm interested to see how it cleans up.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, all this plastic and everything, dash, the sides here are definitely sun rot, and could use some new door panels.
Yeah. And I think it'd make it feel like a whole new truck. Just being clean.
Yes.
As opposed to being so filthy.
Yeah, I mean, the carpet obviously has been at the farm.
Yeah. I almost have allergies just when I ride in it. The amount of dust coming up off
and
everything.
Hay and
yeah.
Everything.
I also don't know what actual mileage is on this truck, because right now it's saying like 83.9, but I don't know if it's rolled over before, because it only goes to 100,000 and then it rolls over. And I would think my grandpa put more than 100,000 miles on it. Heck, it could have 283 or 483. I don't know. I mean, all he ever did was drive it to the farm, but when you do that for 50 years or 40 years or whatever, I guess it wouldn't even be quite 40.
Adds
38
up.
years.
Adds up for
yeah,
sure.
It all adds up. Well, Kara, do you want to try to drive this? Driving stick's no big deal for Kara. She's grown up with stick shift trucks, with manuals.
Yeah, but it's been like...
Since 08.
50, yeah, I mean, how many years has that been?
Yeah, it's been a while to say the least.
A long time since I drove a stick. And can I even reach?
I think the seat will slide. I mean, who knows? It might be jammed up with dirt that you can't, but I think it will.
Right.
We could try.
Well,
Plus, it has a really low first gear, so it's pretty easy to get going. And with the diesel, it'll lug. I mean, you can hear it lugging now. I'm in second. It's a lugger, so.
All right.
So let's trade and see how you like it.
Embarrass myself. Did it move?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you need it forward more?
No. I think it's just right.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get refamiliarized with... Oh, that's a deep clutch.
Yeah, do you need it? We can slide the seat forward more. It's just on your side. And first is over and up.
Where's... Oh, there we go. Okay. Over, up.
Do you need more? Because we can scoot the seat forward more. Give us some gas. Oh, the brake's on. Stop. It's really hard to start with the parking brake on.
Oh my gosh. Hey, I didn't kill it though.
Yeah, you didn't. Even with the parking brake on. There you go.
Okay. Might be a little jerky, hon.
Yeah.
Gosh.
It'll pull itself through way better than your old Ranger would on the clutch, so.
Oh, shift. Forgot I had to shift.
Yep.
Okay. This is a crooked steering wheel.
Yeah, it's really
Look
crooked.
How bad.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get that fixed. And it feels like you're zigzagging on the road a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to. It doesn't hold like the new trucks.
It is pretty loose.
Yeah. But it's 38 years old. So.
What do you expect? We are just too spoiled these days.
Yeah. Yeah, we really are. But it's honestly pretty fun to drive. And it's weird, you don't have a tachometer to watch, you just kind of have to listen to the engine. I mean, since it's a diesel, you aren't going to rev it like a
That's what
gas.
I ever did. I never looked at my tach.
Well, I know you never looked at your tach.
I just listened.
Your transmission knew that too.
Well, it went through 3 of us. That old Ranger, the black one.
Okay. Yep. That's the thing is, I would shift down into second when you're coming up on that, because first is going to throw you through the windshield. Give us some gas. Yep, there you go. Yeah, I think, and yeah, that old diesel just chugging away. But it's fine. Give us some gas. Don't shift.
I am. I'm clear of the floor.
No, you aren't.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you were onto the floor.
I felt like I was.
Yeah. It goes in like this and hits the floor, but then you have to like tow it.
Tow it?
Yeah, you have to tow it a little bit. But it feels like the engine's just running strong. There's no missing or... Yeah. I'm really happy with how the engine seems to be running. You went down the wrong way. Okay. There you go.
What's that, 3?
Yes, this is 3. You went down into 2.
Well, I knew There we go.
Yep. It's weird to be in, you know, 4th gear and be on the freeway. Or it will be. Just even driving it home from Ronnie's the other night, I was like, what gear am I in? Where am I supposed to be?
Where am I at?
I wanted one more gear, you know?
Override.
Yeah, an overdrive.
Overdrive.
Yeah. So do you think you could drive this to work every day?
Might be an adventure.
Keep the miles off the high country? And it's a little weird using your transmission instead of your brakes to slow down as much. Getting back to that, you know, downshifting, you know, and just letting it. That was a brake.
Sorry.
I swear she's driven stick shifts her whole life.
What did we decide? 2008?
Yeah.
Last time
so it's been a while. Yeah, but that was full brake on that one.
Sorry. I was about to shift. Ah.
But how fun? You're in second.
I'm in second, okay.
Yep, now clutch this time.
Clutch, brake.
Let us know what you think about the new truck. We need to come up with a name for it besides Grandpa's truck, but maybe that's going to be it. It's Grandpa's truck.
Farm truck.
The farm truck. But as always, like, subscribe, all those sort of things. It really helps us out, and we appreciate you guys watching and, you know, enjoying our videos. So until next time, enjoy your weekend.